Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. We just arrived at the Bahia Mar Fort Lauderdale, which is a DoubleTree by Hilton hotel, and we're in an Oceanview King Room, so let's take a look. You come into the room, you can see it's a nice spacious room. We got a full-length mirror right here on the entryway of the room. You can see it's a nice big room. There's a beautiful big king-size bed right there. Got a nice great big night table on the side of the bed, and US and USB plugs in the light right there on the night table, and another nice big mirror. Got a lovely credenza with more storage space and a coffee machine and some water bottles, so you can have coffee in your room. Nice flat screen TV, a great big desk, which is very nice, and this is the best feature of the room, the ocean view. So we've got a direct ocean view. There's the beach right there, and this is called a Juliet balcony. So we can open the door. Can't really go out on the balcony because it's not very big, but it's a beautiful view. And there is Fort Lauderdale Beach right in front of us. You can see both directions down the beach. And it's a lovely evening. It's about 5:30 in the evening, so almost sunset. A beautiful day in Fort Lauderdale, and we're thrilled to be here. And coming back into the room, got a lovely dining table with a chair right there, another light, and some beautiful beach artwork on the wall. Another lovely night table with more storage space and more plugs, and there's the king-size bed again. So just beautiful. Nice big room. And then coming in, there's our luggage there. Coming into the bathroom, you can see we have a single vanity with a backlit mirror, and there's the facilities, of course, and a nice soaking tub with bath amenities and a shower as well. So very nice bathroom, which is separate from the sink and the vanity, so two people can be in the bathroom at the same time. Here's the closet. Got plenty of hanging space. It's not a very big closet, but spacious enough. Got a luggage rack, an ironing board, looks like a blow dryer, and a safe for your valuables, and a luggage rack, I said. So lovely ocean view king room at the Bahia Mar Fort Lauderdale Hotel. So when you're ready to book your next cruise out of Fort Lauderdale, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks.